Okay, this is a lesson about some applications of algebra and the problems that you're currently doing. So the first thing I want to show you is, if you remember, if you have a square or a rectangle like this, and if we had to work out the perimeter, then the perimeter is actually all the sides added up together. So in other words, if you were to walk around the outside of the shape, it would be that distance plus that distance plus that distance plus that distance. So you add all those four together. So for example, if we had a shape like this, and we said that this distance here, the length was 2x plus 3, just as an algebraic expression for that length, then because this is a rectangle, those two sides are the same. So that would also be 2x plus 3. On the other hand, let's say that the width of this rectangle is x plus 4. And because it's a rectangle, then that side is the same as that side, which therefore means that this would also be x plus 4. Now, if we have to work out the perimeter of this shape, what we need to do is add up all those sides together. So the perimeter would equal P, that's the perimeter, P for perimeter would equal 2x plus 3, and I'll put that in brackets just to keep it in a nice little packet, plus x plus 4 plus 2x plus 3 again, and plus x plus 4 again. So it'd be, if we have to change our colour here, so 2x plus 3 is that one, and then add x plus 4 there, that's that one, 2x plus 3 again, and then finally the x plus 4. Now that's a pretty long way of writing it. What we could really do, if you notice, we could group these terms and make it a little bit easier to write. A quicker way of doing this might have been to notice that there are two lots of 2x plus 3. So we could write a quicker way of writing the perimeter would have been the perimeter equals 2 lots of 2x plus 3 plus, let's change colour, 2 lots of x plus 4. So that's 2 lots of x plus 4. So that's an expression for the perimeter of this shape. And if we had to work out the perimeter, if we had to calculate or work out the perimeter when x, for example, was 3 centimetres, so in other words, we had to find the perimeter, if x equals 3 centimetres, for example. What that means is that we would substitute, and there's that word again, substitute the value 3 wherever we see an x in our expression. So wherever we see an x, which is here and here, we would need to substitute the value 3 where we see that x, like this. And so we would need to rewrite our expression. I'm going to go up here because I'm running out of room, so we'll go up here. So the perimeter when x equals 3 would equal 2 times, so 2 bracket 2, now it's not 2x, it's going to be 2 times 3. Remember, 2x means 2 times x. So that will be 2 times 3 plus 3, then plus 2 bracket Now, rather than writing x plus 4, we're going to write 3 plus 4. So that'll be 3 plus 4, close our bracket, and now we just work it out. Now remember, we do our multiplications first before we add, and we always work out the brackets before anything else. So it's going to be 2, that'll be 2 lots of 2 times 3 is 6, plus another 3, close our bracket, plus 2 lots of, well, 3 plus 4 is 7, so it's 2 lots of 7, or 2 times 7. So that will equal 2 lots of 6 plus 3. Well, 6 plus 3 is 9, so it's going to be 2 times 9 plus 2 times 7, which will equal 2 times 9 is 18, and 2 times 7 is 14, so 18 plus 14, which makes the final perimeter 18 plus 14, which is 32. Now, if we were talking in centimetres, it'd be centimetres. So that's how you'd work out the perimeter of a shape like that.